Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to add a simple slide to a WordPress website using the Elementor slides and the Prime Slider. For this you need to get the Elementor Pro to activate the slides that I'll be showing you in this tutorial, but for the Prime Slider you just need the basic Prime Slider plugin for your WordPress website. To speed up this video, I've gone ahead to install the Elementor, activated the Elementor Pro plan, and I've activated the Prime Slider. To activate this, all you have to do is just go to your plugin, add new plugin, then you come to search plugin, then just as you can see I've imputed Prime Slider earlier, so you hit Prime Slider, it brings this Prime Slider. This is what we'll be using for this tutorial. So you install and activate, then you find Prime Slider here. So to set this up, you click Prime Slider, it brings this dashboard out, then you head over to Core Widgets. Here you find all the features of Prime Slider, but for this tutorial we'll be using the free version. So you click on the free and just hit activate all. I've already activated this earlier, so that's why you can see that everything is active. So when you're done with this, the next step would be to create a page where we'll be adding the sliders. So you head over to pages, add new page. We'll call this page slides, then we hit edit with Elementor. So once this open, we'll select our structure, then we head over to the search widget and impute slides. So I'll be starting first with the Elementor Pro slides, which is this widget here. Like I said earlier, you need the Elementor Pro plan to do this. It will be grayed out on the basic plan. So for the purpose of this video, I'll not be doing too much edits. I'll just show you how you can add, say, a few. So like I said earlier, I wouldn't be doing too much edits to the slide, so I can show you all the functionalities of the remaining slide. So I'll just be adding images to this to just explain better, and you see how you can impute this to your WordPress website. So if you require any additional styling, all you have to do is to head over to style, align to left or right or center. As I'm doing that, you can see that the text is moving to the left, right, and center the text to the same way. If you want to increase the image so you can see it properly, you head over to the contents, then the height, you just increase this so you can get like a full scope of the image. And if you would not like there to be a button, I usually don't put buttons in mine, so you can just head over here and just select all of this and hit backspace, so that's gone. Then you can also reduce the spacing of the title and the description. So you see, so notice that there's still a button here because I just removed from just one. So if you want to get rid of everything, you come to the individual slides, the content, and you hit backspace or delete on all of them. Then so this is just a basic and simple edit. So this is the Elementor Pro slides. Next we'll be doing the Prime Slider that I previously installed. So to do that, you create a new structure that has a container in it, hit the plus sign, head over to search widget, then impute. I'll be starting with the dragon widgets of the Prime Slider. So we just drag this. Remember that we had this installed. I explained how I installed it for the purpose of this tutorial. If you've not installed it, head over to plugins, add new plugins, impute Prime Slider, install and activate, and you have all of them displayed here on Elementor. Regardless of your plan, you'll see it on your basic plan, you see it on your Elementor Pro plan. So just as I've done here, I'll head over to Prime Slider, the dragon feature of the Prime Slider. Then I'll add these images, quickly to the purpose of this video is so that you can compare which of these slides works best for the website that you're creating. So if you're a beginner, if you're an advanced developer, you can choose amongst any of this that suits your design preference, or something to just wow your customers compared to the basic or classic plan. I mean, most customers and clients still do prefer that you use the basic plan, and some other ones would like to explore a different slider or something that's different and stylish too. So this is a feature of the Prime Slider, the dragon widget, and just like the classic Elementor Pro slides, you can style this too. You can head over to the style, change the text, the font, the color, the size, all by just coming to typography. You can increase, you can see how that is increasing nicely. You can decide to remove a feature by heading over to the content, additional setting. Then if you don't like to show, say, maybe the social link, you can turn that off. If you notice, it just went off here. If you don't like the button, which is a read more, come here and that just goes away. If you like it as simple as this, then that's just how it's going to respond to that. If you want to get the numbers off, that's the same thing that applies. So the Prime Slider has really cool features compared to the Elementor Pro. I'll be showing you an additional one, which is the Alysium slide. It's also a feature of the Prime Slider. So let me take this out, because we've been adding just 3 images. So I'll add this. Oh, move this guy. I'll be adding this, and oh, this guy is always in our way. Oh, just stay there for now. Then, just as I added in the previous slides that we created, I'm adding 3 images to this, so we can just compare and contrast with the previous 2. So you can see how lovely and stylish this is, and they are all responsive. If you are building your web page to check the responsiveness on a tab, a mobile device, this is just perfect and different and cool. So this way you get to create multiple slides on different pages if that's what you like, or you just want to do something that not everybody does. So like I explained, you can style however you want, change the title, increase the text, change the color, change the font size. So you can put everything inside just by increasing and reducing. See, yeah, exactly. Change the color to change the stroke. You can add shadows to it just to make sure that it suits your present and the theme that you're giving for your website. So for the last one and not the least, which is actually my favorite from the Prime Slider. Yep. So we head over to, and like I said, these sliders, they are all responsive, and you can use them to design your website in different forms, and you can also use them to create like amazing design and themes for your web page. So yeah, so I'm adding the isolate. Okay. So this is actually my favorite. I like the animations of the images moving from left to right. It just gives it that cool and unique effect. So if you also want to showcase maybe a video that you have on, say, YouTube, and you want to link it to this, and you want to have a picture and a video on your slide, this is that one slide. So if I hit this button here, it displays this installed video, which you can also customize by imputing your own video, or the video that your client has created for their product and all that. So it shows that, and it just creates this little section that displays the image from left to right, which is beautiful. So this is how to add a slide on your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, so more people can see this and I can continue creating amazing content like this. Bye, see you in the next video.